What's going on, family? It's your man DeAndre Saxon back for another video, and in this topic I'm going to be showing you exactly how to copy my $500 per day secret affiliate marketing method, all completely for free right here. I'll be giving you the 7 steps that you can do right now this week to earn your very first commissions in affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. I don't care if you're in the United States, in Colombia, in Dubai, or anywhere in the world. You can have financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom, all by starting in the secret affiliate marketing niche that nobody on the internet is talking about. So what I'm showing you in this video is one of several methods that you can use right now to begin earning your very first hundreds of dollars in commissions in affiliate marketing. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and show you some proof of the results that I'm getting. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. So this is my Go High Level account, how I track the sales that I'm getting in the secret affiliate marketing niche. So you can see that customers enrolled. This is for a little under 4,000. So this is something called MRR, monthly recurring revenue, meaning that this money is coming in every single month. This is what I generated last week. And then distributors enrolled are people that want to go ahead and scale my software, which is actually the secret niche I'll be revealing here in a second. I brought another 6,500, so a little over $10,000 that I brought in. So I wanted to share that with you. That way, you know, I'm not some random schmuck on the internet, and I can show you what's going on. So as I just said a couple seconds ago, the secret affiliate marketing niche that I have been using that brought me in 10 grand last week alone is called software affiliate marketing. I like to use as a software affiliate marketer is an Instagram growth software. Basically, this software helps their customers earn anywhere from 20 to 100 plus real followers every single day. So that's the software we're going to use in this example. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's hop into our system right here. So this is the system that I've been using. And like I said, this is one of many systems that I'm going to reveal. It's the easiest system that anybody can get started with right now. I don't care if you have 100 followers on Instagram or 100,000. I'm actually going to show you an example of some of the DMs that I have right now on a brand new Instagram account that literally has only 100 followers on it, and it's still working. So let's go ahead and let's look at the very first step in our system right here. The first step is Instagram traffic. So these are 3 methods that I use to drive traffic over to my software affiliate links. So the first one that I use is I do content, right? I use Instagram Reels. I do YouTube channels. Obviously, you're watching my YouTube video right now. So content is one of the best ways that you can actually drive traffic over to your affiliate link. The second thing that I like to do is I like to run ads. And it's funny because the ads that I run are actually Instagram Reels. They're not some intricate ads that I run through Facebook Business Manager or anything. They're literally just Reels that I posted that are actually scripted in a way that are really ads. And the third and final thing, and this is the secret method that most people don't talk about because they have no idea what it is, and that's the actual Instagram growth software itself. So remember how I was saying, like, the Instagram software that I like to promote, what it helps people do is gain anywhere from 20 to 100 real followers per day. So I put that software on my own Instagram account, and what it does is it generates 10,000 monthly profile visits to my Instagram. So the objective from the very first step here is to get people over to your Instagram page. And like I mentioned, I don't care if you have 100 followers or 100,000 followers. It's working on my brand new Instagram account that I created to show you guys that this actually works even from brand new beginners. And so the secret here, other than content, other than running ads, which sometimes costs money, is to actually use the software itself. I started as a customer for this in my coaching business. And when I saw generating hundreds of followers for me every single week and generating cash flow, I was like, I want to become an affiliate for this software. So here's the objective, is I want to gain followers on my Instagram account. I want to build a network or a community of brand new followers coming in every single day who are interested in what I'm promoting. So in conclusion, step number 1 is we're going to be using content, ads, or the Instagram growth software itself to drive traffic over to your Instagram so you can build a community of people who are interested in what you're offering. Second step here is we're going to optimize your Instagram page so that it looks attractive to people. Because at the end of the day, who are the people that are going to be buying your software and through your affiliate link? They're not fake followers. They're not bots. These are real people. And so in order for real people to want to buy, you have to give them value in exchange, AKA you have to have a valuable Instagram page. So here's some of the things that you can do right now to make sure your Instagram page looks good. Just have a simple, nice bio telling people exactly what you do. I'll put some links in the description below, giving you like resources to all of this stuff here. For example, what to put in your bio, the VSL, all these kind of stuff. They'll check out the resources below. Okay. So having number one, a good Instagram bio. Number two, a link in your bio over to a VSL, because at the end of the day, a lot of YouTubers, especially affiliate marketing YouTubers, want to paint a picture that affiliate marketing is just this magic thing where people just click links and you make millions of dollars. Now, that is true, but let's be honest. If you're watching this right now, you know for a fact that these affiliate marketing YouTubers make money by you clicking the links. That's how they make money. The funny thing about this and the software that I'm promoting is I don't make any money by you clicking the links. It's a really cool system. That's why I give this away for free, because I'm not hiding anything here. So you want to have a link in your bio that sends people over to a video sales letter that engages and informs your customers of the software that you're going to be using. Some of the benefits that you can add is if you have your face on there, you can build even more trust and authority with the people that are going to be trying your software, okay? Or if the company, the software that you're using already has a VSL, you can send them over to that VSL, okay? Video sales letter. Number three, you want to have good content. And there's two types of content that you can create. You can have a lifestyle brand. Maybe you're traveling. Maybe you're a model. Maybe you're attractive. Or maybe you go to the gym, right? That could be lifestyle stuff. Or it could be value, teaching people how to use the software, teaching people how to get leads or get customers, or whatever the software that the problem that your software that you're going to promote solves. Create content around that so you can have value when people want to follow you and they land on your Instagram page. And fourth and final is testimonials. See the software that you're going to be promoting. Does it have testimonials? Post those consistently. Great thing, the Instagram software that I have, there's hundreds of testimonials. And one of the cool things that I do for the distributors in our software program is that I actually create something called a testimonial bank, meaning that all the collective testimonials that we have as a company, as soon as a distributor gets on our team, they have access to that, and they can begin posting testimonials across our company on their own personal Instagram page, so they don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, do I have personal testimonials? No, just use our company testimonials, and that's a cool thing that a lot of our distributors say they like within our program. Now, the next step here in the system is you're going to be creating daily Instagram stories and content pointing followers over to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube channel's VSL. Now, this is a step that is not required, but will dramatically, when I say dramatically, I'm talking about 30 to 50% higher conversion rates if you have some type of content, even if it's just 3 to 5 YouTube videos just like this. You don't need to have 1 million subscribers. You only need to have about 3 to 5 YouTube videos that show people what the software is so they can build trust with you. Guys, something like this, when you're taking a complete stranger over from Instagram, from an ad, from a content, they have no idea who you are. And like I said, the YouTubers are going to sell you this dream because they make money off you clicking the links. I'm here to tell you the truth of what you really need to do. And you need to have some type of content like this, even if it's a 10-minute video showing people exactly how you use the software, whatever software you want to promote, whether it's Go High Level, my software, whatever it is. Have some type of video showing people how it works, how it's benefiting you, how it's benefiting other people. And what that allows people to do is build trust with you as a brand, their personality, and they can feel a lot more comfortable starting on your affiliate link rather than starting off as a complete stranger, okay? So creating daily content, whether it's just posting a testimonial, posting a benefit, posting something from your company that you're promoting that they have on their, hopefully they have some resources for you, post that on your channel, post that on your Instagram once a day, once a week, whatever you want, and begin driving traffic over to your YouTube content. So now, YouTube channel, the next step in this process is you're going to be posting relevant content on your YouTube channel to build authority. And like I said, you can start with as small as one video, one 10-minute video showing people how the software works, how you're using it. Or if you want to really want to build your roots into here and make 10, 20, 30, $50,000 a month, you're going to want to consistently build videos. Maybe if it's just one video a week for the next, couple months, and start building a brand, because every video that you put out is technically a video sales letter. Every video talking about this testimonial or this part of software or this feature begins driving traffic and building authority with the videos and the audience that you're making. So posting relevant content on your YouTube channel. So here's what's going to happen naturally is you're posting on your Instagram page. You are potentially running ads. You're making content. You're using the Instagram software that I promote and I'm using it, and it just generates all this traffic. Here's the natural next step is people will message you. The coolest thing about particularly the software that I use, like I said, there's millions of softwares that you can promote. I'm just talking about my personal experience. The benefits that I see is that all the leads are inbound. I don't have to go find people. And I'll show you an example of what this looks like, even with a brand new Instagram account. So I want to show you this. So this is my Instagram account right now. Literally, I just crossed 200 followers, just like right now at the time of recording. This account has had only 100 followers. So check this out. You see this lead right here? He says, "Hey man, do you think how do I make use of the trial first? See how it goes, right?" So this guy came in, and all these leads that are coming in are people messaging me, even with less than 200 followers on this brand new Instagram account. You can see all these leads coming in. Here's another example of another lead that came in, right? So these are real people, real leads. And all I do is I just say, "Hey, check this out." And I'll create another training video on what exactly I say in these messages. I just send them to a quick little video, which I'll talk about in a second. They watch the video, and then I send them the sign up links. It's that simple. I wanted to show you that you don't need to have a crazy amount of followers, that you can have 100 followers and still make money this week in software affiliate marketing. So what I'm showing you in this next step is naturally you will generate leads, inbound people looking for your affiliate link and want to understand the software that you're promoting because you're actually adding value to them. And this is something that nobody's going to tell you because they're trying to sell you something. I'm here just telling you the truth that this is what's going to happen. When you create content, when you create real value with people, they will message you and you can go ahead and send them your affiliate link. But we're not done. Here's an extra step. Like I said, you don't have to follow all of these steps here. These are just steps that I use to increase conversions. Right now, I'm converting at about 30%. So every person that's coming in and wanting to sign up, 30% of them are actually purchasing. And that's because I'm doing this step-by-step system. You can take out a step and just put your affiliate link in your bio. That's fine, but you won't have the highest conversion. This right here is how you get the highest conversions. So next step here is people are going to say, "Hey, man, how do I actually go ahead and learn about the software?" So right here in the DMs, this is where you can send them a VSL, send them a quick little video explaining how the software works. It can be a 5-minute video. I think my video is about 7 minutes or so, just showing them, hey, here's what the software does. Here's how it benefits. Here's a testimonial. And here's some of the results and problems here's some of the results that your software can produce and some of the problems that it helps you overcome by using the software. So that's called a video sales letter. So I just sent them a quick little video, and it's simple. I didn't build any funnels. You can see here in this example, it's just a simple YouTube video. I made a 7-minute YouTube video explaining how the software works. The people get interested in what exactly it is, whether you're going to promote Go High Level, my software with Instagram growth, or whatever software. Send them a quick little video and you're good to go. Naturally, the next step after you send that video, as you see here, is, "Hey, man, I'm ready to try a 1-month trial and get started." So that's when in your DMs, you can send them your affiliate link, or you maybe on the VSL itself at the bottom, you maybe create a little landing page and you just have the link to your trial. It's that simple. Guys, I've enrolled 15 people just in my DMs last week alone doing this over and over and over again. Now you might be thinking, "Well, DeAndre, maybe that's over and over." Like, look at it. Here's another lead that came in. Free trial. Boom. Send them literally one message. I send over the VSL and I send over my affiliate link. And you can see this happen over and over and over again. A lead comes in and I send over a trial. A lead comes in and I send over the VSL. I've been doing this now so simple because of this particular system. And the seventh and final step is the free trial, right? Send your leads over to your free trial. Make sure your link is connected and just follow up with them. Follow up. If let's just say your software has a 30-day trial, a 5-day trial, you want to track this so that way when the trial ends, you just message your customer and make sure that they follow, that they purchase. It's that simple, guys. Now, it might seem complex in this long video, but maybe you can rewatch it one more time. Just understand that it is that simple. You create Instagram content, whether it's a reel, whether it's a story, whether it's an ad, or whether you're using the Instagram growth software to drive traffic over to your page. You have a page that's optimized. People like your page. You're creating value for them. They're going to message you because you're showing testimonials, you're showing content, you're showing how the software solves the problem that they have. You send them over to a quick little video explaining how the software works. It can be as short as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want. Then they're going to be like, hey, I really like this software. Tell me more about it. I want to sign up for a free trial. You send them your free trial link. That is it. And then when the trial ends, you follow up with them, make sure they have answer any questions, make sure they purchase, and that's it. That's literally how I generated over 10 grand last week. It doesn't have to be that complex, and it's something that I've been able to do. Now, you probably have so many questions on how to do this step by step. Make sure you subscribe below, because you're probably thinking, how do I create a VSL? How do I create that? What content do I make? I will be showing that in the next video so that you can be successful. I'll be completely transparent with you. How do I get paid as an affiliate for this Instagram software? Is only when you sell the software, because it's my company. I'm an equity partner. It's meaning that every time you sell the software, that's what I get paid. I don't get paid when you click a link or when you buy something like how other YouTubers do. No, I have a financial incentive to make sure that you're selling as an affiliate, that you have all the resources, all the links, everything that you need to succeed. Because when you're making $10,000 a month, you're getting paid, I'm getting paid, and it's a win-win situation because I'm the owner of this software right here. So now you might be thinking, well, DeAndre, what's my next step? You have two options. Option number one is start on the free trial yourself of the Instagram growth software. Use the software, Instagram growth software, to generate leads for you to your affiliate link and start sending people over and getting your commissions of $100, $200, $300 a month profit per customer that you enroll. That's the first step that you can do. A second step, you might be thinking, DeAndre, I want to take this serious. I want to take this full time. Can you coach me? Can you mentor me? Yes, because that's what our distributor program is about. Because there's somebody right now watching this video who wants to change their life and take this to the next level. They don't want to figure it out by themselves, which you can watching my YouTube videos, which is why I'm making this right now. And you can make good commissions just on watching my YouTube video. But there's somebody who wants to get coached, mentored step by step. That's what we call a distributor. The way that works, it is a paid program, right? It's only a couple $1,000s. It's nothing that expensive, but our affiliates are making that back. Our distributors are making their income back that same week. Some of them that same week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks in, and stacking their monthly recurring revenue every single month. And I show them exactly what I'm doing, giving them all the templates, all the funnels, all the emails, everything they need to succeed and scale to the next level so they can grow. If that sounds like something that you want to do, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the link in the description below, and you're going to go to my Instagram, and you're going to message me the word SaaS, SaaS, so software as a service. And what that lets me know is that you watched this video and that you're interested in joining our distributor program, where I show you step by step how to make $10,000 a month or more reselling our software so that you can get the benefits of the SaaS affiliate marketing niche that nobody's talking about. You can become one of the first people to get to the next level, all because you are taking actions and initiative. So those are the two options that you have. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe below, because I'm creating content every single day to make sure you succeed in software affiliate marketing. Take care, family. See you in the next video.